How to bypass the Snapchat suspicious login. Hey guys, let's get started. If you're having the suspicious login problem and you want a solution to get logged in, here is the perfect tutorial. First of all, open any of your browser or Google Chrome and then go to Snapchat support search bar. Then tap on the first link, which is by help.snapchat.com. Once that is done, you will land to this page. From here, you have to select on My account is compromised or I cannot access my account option. From here, select the option that you prefer and then tap on Contact Supports. Once you tap on it, you will land to another page. From here, you have to submit a request. Tap on the first one, which is for My account is compromised. After that, you can provide your username, email, verify your phone number, and then describe your problem. Once that is done, you have to submit and you should get a reply and a solution within few business days. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.